seen before.
The defense turning to virtual reality to show the judge what they really claim happened. Local 10's Christina Vasquez live in Fort Lauderdale with this exclusive. Christina.
It is immersive and all from the view of a defense expert, and what the defense attorney in this case is calling a first in any courtroom anywhere in the state of Florida. A judge today did admitted into evidence a virtual reality experience as part of this stand your ground hearing.
This is when he pulls the gun out, when he's backed up against the bar.
At a stand your ground hearing Tuesday,
Nobody backs off.
a Broward judge peered through a virtual reality headset.
These people are coming into his space, right?
And he's backing up.
And he's backing
so
up.
as not to be injured like his wife.
For an immersive experience an artist designed to illustrate this defense expert's opinion.
As we back up and are being approached, and it's like a chest-to-chest encounter, no matter where you look.
That based on his review of depositions, a site visit, and sworn witness statements to police.
Now this is where the vase was broken from the chair that had been thrown previous.
And this is actually a photograph from one of the videos, right?
Yes, that's correct. And there's the names.
And the purpose of putting in this photograph is to show what connection to this animation.
That's correct.
Miguel Albisu, the Southwest Ranch's wedding venue owner, facing 9 counts of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon for waving a gun at guests last year.
This is when he pulls the gun out, when he's backed up against the bar.
Did so in self-defense, he testified.
Standing right in his personal space, he still has not brought out his gun.
That is correct.
Placing the judge in the defendant's shoes.
Physical size difference, the age difference, and then he's grabbed.
Viewing the incident through Albisu's point of view.
Saying, get out, get out, get out.
As his defense attorney works to convince the judge to give his client immunity under Florida's Stand Your Ground law.
I believe is the first time in the state of Florida, in a criminal or civil case, that virtual reality was admitted into evidence. And it may be the first time in the United States that virtual reality was admitted into a criminal hearing.
And again, that moment is all related to the Stand Your Ground hearing. Think of it like a mini trial before the judge. So this will play out at least to the end of this week. If they do not hear all of those witnesses by then, the defense attorney says at last check with the court, they'll actually resume this proceeding in February. So let's say that they lose their argument with the judge, that argument being that our client should have immunity under Florida Stand Your Ground law. And instead, the judge decides to move this to a jury trial. You can expect, from what I can understand from legal analysts, that this whole issue of involving such a new technology, virtual reality, and the experience that it generates and presented to a juror, that would likely have its own evidentiary hearing in a pre-trial moment if this does go before a jury with both sides litigating the use of technology. We'll have to see. Reporting live for you, I'm Christina Vasquez, Local 10 News.